Reagans anxiously awaiting a decision from the Supreme Court. Why they say healthcare reform is a matter of life and death.
This is Fox 5 News at 10. Local, Las Vegas.
As the Supreme Court makes a decision on the controversial health care law this week, thousands in southern Nevada are watching closely.
They are the uninsured, people who can't afford medical care, but a few volunteers are coming to the rescue. Fox 5's Matt DeLucia live with the details on what this care really means to some of the patients. Matt.
Well, quite frankly, it could mean the difference between life and death for some of these folks. This here is the Volunteers in Medicine of Southern Nevada, and when you hear all of the arguing, the bickering, and the back and forth that's going on in Washington right now, the folks here are the ones who really see what it does.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
For Margaret Clark, this is not a typical doctor's visit. This, she says, may save her life.
I lost my job and I have no insurance, and if I didn't find this place, I feel like I wouldn't be alive.
Margaret is just like the other 6,000 patients expected to walk through these doors in a given year. But at the Volunteers in Medicine, the answer is in the name.
I come here every Tuesday, volunteer.
Dr. Mike Ludeman was inspired to donate his medical expertise as soon as he saw what this place does.
For me as a doctor, to provide the best possible care for our patients.
It makes me feel great just to know people are out here to help me, just to know that I have people looking out for me.
21-year-old Brian Griffin is another patient. He has asthma, and without insurance, it makes it hard to get his treatments. Dr. Florence Jameson is the founder of this free clinic that provides $3 million in care every year using just under $1 million in donations. There are roughly 40 doctors, 100 nurses, and 20 pharmacists. All have other paying jobs, but in here, their work is most rewarding.
So we have to get health reform. Whether or not it happens now or later, it will happen. It's just when and how.
To save someone like Margaret, who has diabetes and worked hard so her son may not end up here.
He's got his master's, he's wonderful. I never thought I'd be in this place in my life.
And that is a problem shared by many people here in the Valley. Now, the only problem here, this clinic started about 2.5 years ago, but they can only see about 500 patients every month. It may seem like a big number, but the folks here say they could see plenty more if they had the space and the manpower to handle it. They're planning to build another location downtown where they could see perhaps thousands more people in need of health care. Live tonight, I'm Matt DeLucia, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.
And we expect the Supreme Court decision on the health care law to come down Thursday. Matt, thank you.
Yeah.